is an important feast in the church, for it marks the end of Christmas season. So, pwede pa tayo mo Pasko ngayon, no? But yun ang inyong kapwa, Merry Christmas. And at the same time, the baptism of the Lord begins the ordinary time. This beginning of the ordinary time is also the beginning of Jesus' public ministry. Hindi niyo lang pinalo, hindi makatuloy na sila ng sa usapan ko lang. Wala kasi nangyayari. So the pressure bilang pinatuloy na naman kasi ang ilang pagkinihan